Okay, so this is my garage door remote. It's very sluggish when the temperature goes below 32 degrees. Above 32 degrees is okay. I changed the battery already and it's still very sluggish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try an experiment. I'm going to coat these buttons and the battery surfaces with vaseline. So this will prevent moisture from going inside and hopefully it'll give it enough of a boost so it will open and close my garage door even in freezing temperatures. So I couldn't open the garage door using this remote keypad when it was 32 degrees. So I experimented a little. I put Vaseline all around the buttons here and even around the seams where the battery cover is. And today is about 20 degrees or 22 degrees. And I tried opening it earlier and it worked. So let's do it again. It's a 4-digit PIN number. So it actually works. 23 degrees. And now it is working. Door opener there. And this is the indoor button to close the garage door. But of course you want to have your remote keypad working. This thing is like $30 or so. But if it works, why bother replacing it? All right. Thanks for watching.